Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a line in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to open your project. So we can do it from the file menu, and from there you can just simply go to new projects and you choose your aspect ratio, or you can simply just open an existing project. Now, all we'll be needing to do is to add our uh, footage to our projects. So basically, I have this image here, and you can add anything you'd like, either video, image, or whatever. Now, to start drawing on the video or on image, basically on the timeline, you will be needing to add objects or elements to the footage or to the project. And simply, one of the things that you can use is stickers. You can go to stickers, and from there, you can search for some kind of lines sticker if you would like. Otherwise, you can just like start drawing by adding some shapes. So basically, Filmora will give you some things that you can use. For example, you have these shapes. So from here, you can simply either choose an arrow or you can simply choose a rectangle. So you will be needing like just to have your rectangle here. You will be rotating it and basically just making it as uh, narrow as possible so it can be as a line. So as you can see, this is my line here. And basically you can do the same for the arrows, and here you will find all the properties. You will be able like to change its rotation, position, and whatever you like. So you can also have like some other property change, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.